Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Fragpunk login error. So first up, what you need to do is to check the server status. So sometimes the issue is on the server side. Just check Fragpunk's official website or social media for any updates on server status. Next up, you can also try restarting your router and device. So just power off your router and computer, then turn them back on after a few minutes. Another thing you can try is to turn off proxy and VPN. So Fragpunk servers might block VPN or proxy connections, so just make sure to disconnect them before launching the game. And also try to ensure your network drivers are up to date. You can also try flushing the DNS, as this can help update outdated or incorrect IP address records. And finally, if you're using Steam, right-click on Fragpunk in your library, select Properties, and verify the game files. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.